Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export your account data on monday.com in 2026. So let us dive into this. So step number 1, log into your monday.com account. Step number 2, click into your profile icon in the top right. And step number 3, open up administration settings here. And in the next step, guys, what you want to do is expand general tab to the left and navigate to account. And here to the right, you will see that export account data feature. So to request an exporting, click into export data here and wait for the exporting for the request to be complete. Give it a few moments and there you go. As you can see, so now it's done. Once the process has been, or the request has been is complete, you will receive a download link to the associated email address of your account. Just remind guys that that download link will be valid only for 24 hours. And you can submit these export data requests only once per day. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.